Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today, we have a special guest joining us to talk about car mechanics. We've got Adam on the line and he's eager to share his knowledge with you all. So let's dive right in. Adam is here to answer your burning questions about car engines and mechanics. If you have any specific queries or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to share them in the comments below. Remember, we want this to be an interactive and engaging experience for everyone involved. When it comes to car engine parts, Adam can help you understand which ones are essential and which ones are merely for appearance or performance. He can also provide valuable insights on various mechanical aspects of cars and vehicles in general. So, if you're interested in learning more about car mechanics, thank you for watching, and remember, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep sharing informative content like this in the future. And don't forget to ask your questions in the comments section. We want this to be a valuable resource for all car enthusiasts out there. I'm excited to share with you my knowledge is power. Stay tuned for more amazing content. Top 3 tips for becoming a successful mechanic. These insights come from the wisdom of a 20-year veteran mechanic. So let's dive right in, who shared his experiences with me. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more great content and having like your brand new car towed away because it won't start. First and foremost, always prioritize fixing the biggest problems first. Your customers will appreciate it and you'll build trust in your services. Next, remember that your toolbox is only as good as the tools inside it. Make sure you have the right tools for the job at hand. If you don't have what you need, invest in high-quality tools that will make your job easier and more efficient. Your customers will notice the difference in your workmanship and so will you. Lastly, be mindful of how much time you spend on each job. Keep track of how long each task takes you so that you can price your services accordingly without overcharging or undercharging. By doing this, you'll be paid fairly for your skills and expertise, which is crucial to maintaining your success as a mechanic. And there you have it. 3 fantastic tips for becoming a top-notch mechanic. I hope these insights help you on your journey towards a successful career in automotive repair. Thanks for joining me today.